Today we have a special guest, Timmy. Timmy, say hello. Say hello to the people. Okay, gotcha. So just want to give you a quick update on a few things. So one, the half bath is looking great. He just went ahead and poured the concrete. So we got the floors back. All this is installed, and yeah, should be good here in a bit. The vanity came in today, so we're going to be putting that in there. The toilets also came in, so things are going to be looking great. The tile for the entire home, including backsplash and tiles for the bathrooms, things of that nature, all of that came in. It was ready for pickup, I should say. So we're going to be picking that up later on this week, and we're going to be installing that starting probably early next week. It'll probably take about a week or so to do. So that should be looking great. So in here, we have the paneling for the island that came in yesterday and it's already installed. So next, we're going to be putting in the quartz on top of the countertops all throughout the kitchen there. The handles came in, and we're waiting to get some more paint so we can go ahead and put that throughout the house. But yeah, man, we're almost done. The faucets came in for all the sinks in the home. And yeah, we're moving and shaking, man. So we're probably another 2 weeks out from getting everything done. And we have another project that we're going to be starting very soon. So I'm excited to show you guys that project as well. If y'all have any questions about this project or potential questions about the next project, go ahead and let me know. I'm super excited to share this information with you guys, but hey, the progress is happening, man. And we're a couple weeks out from getting it done. Oh, carpet should be coming soon as well. So I can't wait. I'll just keep y'all posted. But hey, thank y'all so much for watching. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I'll see you on the next one.